another vlog. And for today ay Friday. Matagal-tagal tayong hindi nakapag-bike kasi due to bad weather and sumingit pa si Bagyong Christine. Okay, by the way, for those who are in Luzon and are affected sa Bagyong Christine, I hope you are all doing well and safe. Stay dry. Anyway, going back, we take the advantage of the gloomy weather and may papatak-patak ng ulan, so take advantage to ride and hopefully matapos natin yung entire route na hindi lumakas yung ulan. Okay, and we are going to our previous route and we are going to test the braking power of the TRP Jointech F1. Okay, last time I was with my wife, so hindi ako masyadong nakapag-testing ng brakes. So today ay hopefully matesting natin yung braking power niya. Okay, let's go. Gloomy weather pala ha. Gloomy weather. Mainit. Lumabas na si Haring Araw. Anyway, our time check for today is 10:43 in the morning. Hopefully hindi lumakas masyado yung araw. Hindi tayo nakapagdala ng warmer and walang sunblock. Whew. Kanina, before ako mag-decide mag-ride, I took the advantage of the gloomy weather. Kasi gloomy and may papatak-patak na ulan. And, tadaan! Mainit na. Woo! Ang bait ni Lord. Gloomy weather lang sapat na, pero binigyan niya tayo ng sunny weather. Mainit. Pahinga muna tayo saglit kasi mainit na. We need to cool down and eat our snack. May bago tayong snack bar. This one is Zone Perfect Cinnamon Roll. And thanks Tita Bibit. This one is from US of A. 14 grams protein, 17 vitamins and minerals. Thanks to the Bibit from US of A. Break. Oh, ramdam ko yung brake, ramdam ko yung power. Ayan o. I can feel the difference between my old Tektro brake sa Jointech F1. Kumakagat talaga siya. Unlike yung old brake set ko ay parang nagla-glide lang. Nag-i-stop naman siya pero nagla-glide muna. Unlike sa Jointech F1 na nafe-feel ko talaga yung difference. Nafe-feel ko yung braking power niya. I can say kasi madalas ako dito. This is my go-to route pag nag-exercise. And I can feel the difference. Definitely day and night difference. Last video ay tinesting lang natin yung softness ng brake calipers and brake levers. And today may opportunity tayo to test sa real action. And I can feel the difference. May downhill pa dito. It's testing. Oh. Whew. I am very much satisfied. Whoops! Brake! Oh. I am happy with the upgrade. It's raining, man. Hallelujah. It's raining, man. Ulan na. Uwan na, oy. Headwind. Uwan. Paita. Sige lang. At least naka-exercise. On our way home, guys. Let's go. 5 more kilometers. Alright, guys. We are back home na. Fortunately, naabutan tayo ng ulan. But it's okay. Part ng ride po yun. Okay, so our total riding distance was about 36 kilometers. Elevation gain was about 200 plus to 30, parang ganun. Okay, going back sa brake set, for me, highly recommended po siya. Kasi ramdam ko yung responsiveness, ramdam ko yung braking power, and ramdam ko yung lambot pagpiga ng brake levers. Unlike sa stock brake set ko before, it was Tektro C330. During pag-brake, dapat full power po talaga yung brakes and dahan-dahan po siyang mag-i-slow down. Kumbaga nagla-glide lang siya. Unlike sa Jointech F1 na ramdam mo talaga yung power, braking power. So for me, highly recommended siya. totoo na day and night yung difference, and if by any chance may extra budget kayo, please do so to upgrade. Kung kagaya lang naman kita na mid-range yung bike and low-end yung brake calipers, or hindi pa naka hydraulic brakes. Okay, I think that's it guys. Thank you guys for watching. Ride safe. Bye bye.